Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Sir Abhishek Barman. Today is mock test on Ulysses by Alfred Tennyson. This test is immensely helpful for all kinds of exams, that is, academic classes of college and university, PSC teachers recruitment, SLST, WBMSC, and the other states teachers recruitment exams. So let's get started. The first question is Tennyson belonged to the age of option A, Victorian age, option B, Elizabethan age, option C, modern age, option D, Anglo-Saxon period age. The correct answer is Tennyson belonged to the age of option A, Victorian age. Now question number 2. What does the phrase fishes of tenderness mean? Option A. Telemachus serves tender services to his subjects. Option B. Telemachus serves tender services to his office. Option C. Telemachus serves tender services to his mother. Option D. Telemachus serves tender services to his father. The right answer is the phrase offices of tenderness means option C. Telemachus serves tender services to his mother. Now question number 2. What does the poet mean by the phrase grey spirit? Option A. Grey spirit means darkness due to windy day. Option B. Mist was there on the surface of the sea. Option C. People having no spirit to travel. Option D. Old age of Ulysses. The correct answer is grey spirit signifies option D, old age of Ulysses. Now question number 4. What is not a characteristic of a dramatic monologue? Option A speaker addresses imaginary audience. Option B, it should be a monologue, not a dialogue. Option C, the speaker is not the poet, but somebody else. Option D, it is like a soliloquy. The correct answer is option D. It is like a soliloquy. Now, question number 5. Ulysses is the hero of option A, Odyssey. Option B, Iliad. Option C, the Aeneid. Option D, Odyssey. Right answer is option A, Odyssey, Odyssey. Now, question number 6. By this still hearth here, hearth means option a fire, a fireplace having no fire. Option B, a fireplace having fire. Option C, a head having words or voicing. Option D, the confinement of domestic life. Here the phrase by the still hearth means option D, the confinement of domestic life. Now question number 7. The poem Ulysses written in the year written in what particular genre did Tennyson follow? Option A, free verse. Option B, blank verse. Option C, sonnet. Option D, haiku. The correct answer is option B, blank verse. This is very, very important question. Now, question number 8. The phrase I meet and dole. Here, meet and dole means option A, administering. Option B, careless about household duty. Option C, earning and spending. Option D, longing to know a lot. The correct answer is option A, meet and dole means administering. Next question number 9. Originally, the poem was written by Tennyson in the year of option A 1833, option B 1830, option C 1842, option D 1831. The correct answer is option A 1833, this is the year when Alfred Lord Tennyson actually had written the poem. Now, question number 10. Three suns imply. Three suns imply option A, 3 years, option B, three planets, option C, three stars, option D, three sunlights. Right answer is option number A, 3 years. Yeah, three suns implies 3 years. Now, question number 11. The poem Ulysses was published in 1833, option 18, 1942, option C, 1924, option D, 1842. The correct answer is option D. The poem was written in 1833, but it was published in the year 1842. Now, question number 12. I'll drink life to the lees here. Life is compared to option A, to a short-lived thing. Option B, to a heart longing to travel. Option C, to a heart to drink a large amount of wine. Option D, to a heart to drink last part of the container. The right answer is option D, to a heart to drink last part of the container, that is the last moment of his life. Now, question number 12. The number is repeated. 12. Choose the option that is not suitable to Ulysses. There are four options. There are four characteristics. That is uh, the chief features of Ulysses here given. What option is not suitable or appropriate in the life of Ulysses? Option A. Ulysses is an embodiment of knowledge. Option B. Ulysses is an embodiment of modern passion for exploration for new lands. Option C. Ulysses is an embodiment of science. Option D. Ulysses is an embodiment of technology. Here, the right answer is option B. All these options, that is A, B, and C, all are present in the life of Ulysses. But option D, embodiment of technology, is absent. So right answer is option D. Now, question number 13. The poem Ulysses belongs to the particular genre of which particular genre is the poem Ulysses? Option A, dramatic monologue. Option B, lyric. Option C, epic. Option D, ballad. The particular genre of the poem, Ulysses is option A, dramatic monologue. Right answer is dramatic monologue. Question number 14. Ulysses is annoyed with. Ulysses was much disappointed or disgusted with option A, his wife. Option B, his people. Option C, his sailors. Option D, his son. The right answer is option B. He was annoyed with his people. Now, question number 15. The thunder and sunshine here. Thunder means option A, good weather. Option B, bad weather. Option C, raining weather. Option D, misty weather. Here, the word thunder signifies option B, bad weather. Now, question number 16. The rival poem of Ulysses is what? What was the poem that is regarded as the rival of the poem Ulysses? Option A, Lotus Eater. Option B, Dora. Option C, In Memoriam. Option D, Break, Break, Break. Correct answer is option A, Lotus Eater is the rival poem of Ulysses. Question number 17. The word crags means option A, island. Option B, infertile land. Option C, rocky island. Option D, happy island. The correct option is option C, rocky island. Now, question number 18. How many lines are there in the poem Ulysses? Option A, 56. Option B, 76. Option C, 70. Option D, 86. Now, question number 9. The right answer is option C, 70. There are 70 lines in the poem Ulysses. Now, question number 19. To strive, to seek, to find, and 12 is an example of option A, climax, option B, hyperbole, option C, metonymy, option D, antithesis. The correct answer is option A, climax. Question number 20. According to Ulysses, the law administering for Ithaca is option A, fair, option B, unfair, option C, fair but imperfect, option D, fair and perfect. The correct answer is option B, unfair. Now, question number 21. How many times did Ulysses say the pronoun I? How many times did he pronounce the pronoun I? Option A 11, option B 12, option C 13, option D 14. Correct answer is 14. That is 14 times Ulysses used the pronoun I. Question number 22. According to Greek, according to the Greek, failure to worship the deities is regarded as the failure of, that is, ignoring of worshipping the deities regarded by the Greeks as option A. Atheism, option B, theism, option C, moral lapse, option D, paganism. Correct answer is option C, moral lapse. They regard the failure of worshipping the god or goddesses is moral lapse. Question number 23. For always dash with a hungry heart, fill in the blank with the appropriate word from the poem. Option A. Option A, roaming. Option B, idle. Option C, active. Option D, voicing. The correct answer is for always roaming with a hungry heart. So, from this point of view, each and everybody should uh, learn or memorize each and every word of a sentence. Then that kind of question may be set in a question. So, question number 24. To follow knowledge like a sinking star. Here, the figure of speech in this suitable is, that is, the what figure of speech is uh, is is matching or suitable to this example. So let we know the option A hyperbole, option B span, option C simile, option D epigram. Correct answer is to follow knowledge like a sinking star is a simile. Is a simile. Now question number 25. The meaning of the word hoard means, that is, the hoard means option A to give, option B to spend, option C to collect, option D to ignorant. The correct answer is option C, to collect. Hoard means to collect. Now question number 26. The word heads in the poem means option A group of seven stars V shape, a group of seven stars Y shape, a group of seven stars U shape, a group of seven stars R shape. The correct answer is option B. A group of seven stars, that is the shape is Y. Next question number 27. The phrase "it little profit" here, little profits means option A, it has little worth. Option B, it has much worth. Option C, it is worthless and useless. Option D, it has least amount of profit. The correct answer is option C, it is worthless and useless. Next question number 28. Ulysses is the symbol of option A, an ardent lover of knowledge and action. Option B, an ardent lover of knowledge and adventure. Option C, an ardent lover of something un, unalluring. Option D, all the above. Here, Ulysses is the symbol of. The right answer is option D, all of the above. That is, these are the options. These are the features which all symbolize. That is, some Ulysses is symbolized by these features of the modern passion for longing to discover knowledge, as attain knowledge, action, adventure, and something unalluring object. Now, question number 29. What does Ulysses mean to say by the phrase windy Troy? What does the poet want to mean by windy Troy? Option A place where always violent wind blows. Option B, a place where always mild wind blows. Option C, a place where always fairies flow. Option D, a place where always wind rains. The right answer is windy Troy signifies a place where always violent wind blows. Question number 30. To rust unvarnished, not to shine in use. Here, a comparison is made with option A, sword, option B, knife, option C, gun, option D, arrow. The correct answer is the to rust unvarnished, not to shine in use is compared with option A with a sword. Now, question number 31. The phrase eternal silent is a or an example of the eternal silent is option A, pun, option B, irony, option C, euphemism, option D, allegory. The right answer is option C, euphemism. The right answer is euphemism. Question number 32. Tennyson took the idea of voice of Ulysses from these. Ulysses took the idea of sea voice of Ulysses from option A, Inferno, option B, Iliad, option C, Odyssey, option D, Aeneid. Ulysses had taken the idea from option A, Inferno. The right answer is Inferno. Question number 33. To rust unvarnished, not to shine in use. The figure of speech implied here is A. Option A, personification. Option B, antithesis. Option C, metaphor. Option D, simile. The right answer is option C, metaphor. Question number 34. What does Ulysses mean to say by happy isles? Happy isles means option A, Canary Island, option B, the Rocky Island, option C, the Corinth Island, option D, none of the above or none of these. Correct answer is option A, Canary Island. Now, question number 35. Moans round with many voices. Here, who according to Ulysses moans? Option A, Ulysses himself. Option B, the sailors. Option C, Penelope. Option D, the sea gives a subdued summon. The correct answer is here moans symbolizes. Option D, the sea gives a subdued summon. Now, question number 36. What does Ulysses mean to say by the phrase soft degrees? Option A. Option A, rapidly. Option B, gradually. Option C, mildly. Option D, smoothly. The correct answer is the soft degree symbolizes or means option B, gradually. Now, question number 37. The phrase sounding furrows. The phrase sounding furrows refers to option A, large hollow between two waves. Option B, a long, narrow trench. Option C, splashing of water. Option D, sounding waves. The correct answer is option A, large hollow between two waves. Now, question number 38. The word scepter stands for. Scepter stands for option A, kingship, option B, royal life, option C, dutiful, option D, devoted to household duty. The correct answer is the word scepter means option A, kingship. Now, question number 39. The island kingdom Ithaca is in the coast of. Here, if should be replaced by of. The island kingdom Ithaca is in the coast of. Option A, Bay of Leghorn. Option B, Bay of Pacific Ocean. Option C, Ionian Sea. Option D, Happy Isle. The correct answer is option C, Ionian Sea. Now, question number 40. This is the last question. Savage race refers to the primitive community of. Savage race refers to the primitive community of Option A, Ithaca. Option B, Greece. Option C, Troy. Option D, Canary. The right answer is Sabis race refers to the community of option A, Ithaca. These are the 40 questions. These are very, very important for the different kind of exams. Even very, very important for the summative or annual exams of the different classes, colleges or university. Next class, that is next Friday, sorry, Sunday, just at 6 p.m. One of the most important poems in English literature that are very, very important, not only for the colleges and universities, but also School Service Commission, Madrasah Service Commission, Public Service Commission, that is PSC, Teachers Recruitment, and the other states Teachers Recruitment. Ode to a Nightingale. Ode to a Nightingale is the next topic. Goodbye.